In this tutorial, we're going to create our ink bleed transition, just like you've seen at the very beginning of this video. Gives a real cool effect. I got the transition and music from Production Crate. They're free downloads. I'll put links in the description box below the video where you can get them from. So let's begin. So I have my two clips of China here. They're both time-lapse clips. And we're going to do a transition with these clips. So let's insert a new video track. Get my ink bleed transition. Drag one for the first track. And drag one for the second track. The second track, right click and reverse it. Mute the audio, you don't need the audio. On the first track, go to compositing mode. Select screen. Got my sound effect or music. Split it there. Need the excess. I'll give it a good fade out. Okay, so the finished product looks something like this. So that's all you have to do. It's a very simple transition, but it gives a real cool look to it. So if you found the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and thanks for watching.